Sweet thing. And now you're mine. Ooh, when I like it.
Okay, drop it.
Put hot sauce in there and that, okay? Uh-oh. What's that?
That's some lime juice, my love.
Lime juice?
Are you having fun today?
Absolutely.
Perfect.
Don't put too much pop in there now.
What?
Is that pop?
Pop?
That's pop?
Just sour.
Okay. You got liquor in there?
Of course, babe. Three some ice in here. Wow.
That's the Diablo margarita?
Yes, ma'am. Would you like to order anything else today, my love?
I'm sorry?
Would you like to order anything else today?
No thank you. Just put a little bit more of that tequila in there.
There's a triple sec in there for you guys.
Alright, thank you.
Of course.
Y'all, this was the worst drink I ever had in my life. I took it back and got me a different one, especially since it was $40. Yep, 40.
But you get a bit better. It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away, come chase beach views and then every day. All I wanna hear is an every since I replay. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really, really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, come through, I think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away, palm trees, beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is an every since I replay. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. You wish away. Really, really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around. Every passing moment, thoughts of you run through my head. Every time that I'm near you, I realize that you're heaven sent, baby. I think you're truly something special. Just what my dreams are really made of. Let's stay together, you and me, boy. There's no one like you around, baby. Really like what you've done to me. I can't really explain it. I'm so into you. I really like what you've done to me. I can't really explain it. I'm so into you.
I mean, we could just go across the street to the park right here. Wait, hold up. My cell phone ringing. Hold up. Can you hear me now? Yeah. So what day did you say? Oh, yeah. Thursday's perfect, man. Gonna feel like baby, I swear, it's like
I'm sorry. You can't see him. Thank you. There's one over there. Anybody else need one?
What you know to do with them?
I'm just learning, but real fast.
This started eating shrimp.
Oh, yeah?
Seafood.
Like 6 months ago.
I never liked it. I grew up.
Now she's eating crab legs. I'm like,
They are so good. Oh my gosh. That's why when she had a big piece of crab meat, I'm like, how'd you do that? Watching
how
YouTube.
you even know to pull that out of there?
Right there.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Baby, more. I don't know why you love me. You got it bad for me, babe. I'm not so glad that I can have this, baby. Nobody else true. Nobody else makes me. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. The right amount of love, right amount of trust, right amount of dick, right amount of slapping me up. Think that I'm going to fit. Right amount of love, play, right amount of talking to me. Oh, yeah, yeah. Feel it in my heart, feel it in my soul, feel it in my body. My body feels like I got you to know. But trusting you. I'm trusting you. Fighting on my mind, fighting on my life for you. I'm trusting you, babe. Sweet thing.
And now you're mine.